What's the easiest way to keep your hair looking neat and out of your eyes? A ponytail. But is yours the most stylish or flattering? And have you been wondering how to quickly amp it up? Hi, I'm Simran and today I'm going to show you 2 new ways to put a spin on the regular ponytail. First, take half of your hair and tie it into a ponytail. Now separate your bottom hair and make 2 even sections. Take the right section of your hair and insert it into the top left section of your ponytail. Now repeat the same with the left section. Pull the left section of your hair through your ponytail and pin it below the ponytail. First, take the topmost section of your hair and secure it into a ponytail. Take your remaining length and tie it into a high ponytail. Separate your ponytail at the top and pull your bottom ponytail through it. Tighten it from the bottom to make it look more voluminous and longer. These quick and creative hairstyles will save you from bad hair days and untidy ponytails no matter where you're headed. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.